guys, and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 without using TPM 2.0 or secure boot. So first of all, you have to make a Windows 10 bootable USB. After that, go to the Windows 11 bootable ISO and right click and select mount. Here go to the sources and find install.wim file. Right click and select copy. Now go to the Windows 10 bootable drive and go to sources, and here right click and click on paste. It will give you this option, and click on replace the file in the destination and give it a minute to complete. And that's it. Now you can install Windows without getting installation error. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.